We're coming live to you from the CNN News 18 and Federal Bank newsroom, and with that we have some breaking inputs coming in as far as CAA is concerned. We're now learning that the first set of 14 certificates have now been distributed over to the people under CAA. Remember, this is the first time that these citizenship certificates have been issued under CAA, and the Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla handed over these citizenship certificates under CAA to the first 14 people in the national capital today. This is the big breaking story that we are bringing to you right now. And let's quickly go across to Arunima, who will be sharing the details with us. Arunima, could you share the identities of who these 14 people are? Arunima, could you share who these 14 people are, since we all are aware that these certificates are to be distributed to persecuted minorities from Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh? All right, we'll try and reconnect with Arunima, but the big breaking input that we are getting in right now is that 14 certificates under CAA have been handed over. Let's quickly go back to Arunima. Arunima, could you share the details with us about these certificates? Who have been the recipients of these certificates?
So these are refugees from Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh who have been, staying in Delhi. They are the ones who have been given these citizenship certificates today by the Union Home Secretary. There was a huge controversy over this. First, when the Citizenship Amendment Act was passed by Parliament, because the rules were not getting notified, therefore the opposition was asking questions. When the rules were finally notified in West Bengal, in Kerala, in Tamil Nadu, the opposition rule states, the Chief Minister, especially in West Bengal, you've repeatedly heard this narrative in this ongoing election season that we will not allow the Citizenship Amendment Act to be implemented. Since the number of applicants in West Bengal and even in Silchar, Assam, the number of applicants were so less, therefore questions were once again raised whether the Citizenship Amendment Act is only on paper and is not having an impact in reality. So today, when these certificates have been handed over in Delhi by Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla, the government would also want to make this point that these are people who are needy, who require the citizenship of India. These are people who had to flee from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan because they were part of persecuted minorities in these countries. And today India has taken the first step to implement the Citizenship Amendment Act as passed by the Parliament in totality. The rules were notified. The first set of people who have applied under the notified rules have today been given Indian citizenship. So in the run-up to the Delhi elections also, this becomes very interesting because Arvind Kejriwal had alleged that these people will take away jobs and resources of Delhiites.
Absolutely. And could you also share with us which persecuted minorities these are, considering we were also, all right, we'll try and reconnect with Arunima, but remember, these CAA certificates were to go to persecuted minorities, namely the Hindus, the Christians, even the Parsis and the Sikhs belonging to countries such as Pakistan, even Afghanistan and Bangladesh. And as Arunima was also highlighting, politically this has become a fiery topic of discussion, considering the Union Home Ministry has granted these certificates under CAA to all those persecuted minorities who are currently in the national capital. It will be interesting to see how this plays out at an election time. Arunima is back with us. Arunima, do share with us which persecuted minorities have been the recipients of these certificates.
The people who were living in Delhi, we do know that in Majnu Ka Tila there were a lot of people who fled from Sindh in Pakistan and they fled because they felt that they were not being allowed to follow their religion in Pakistan. There were Sikhs who had fled from Afghanistan. All of these people are those who had fled Pakistan and Afghanistan before 2014. The cut-off date under the Citizenship Amendment rules is 2014 and therefore people who had come to Delhi before that, these are people who have been given citizenship. Union Home Secretary Ajay Bhalla took the lead in handing over the certificates today. A very, very grateful set of people, mostly from Pakistan, who were either residing in Delhi or some of them who were in Rajasthan. In Rajasthan also, we know that via the Munabao area, a lot of people who were in Sindh province of Pakistan specifically fled because they were scared their daughters will be forcibly converted. So those are the kind of persecuted minorities from Pakistan and Afghanistan who have finally received Indian citizenship.
Arunima, lastly, how will this now play out politically, considering we've already seen how the Prime Minister has attacked the infiltrator, been attacked for using that word, Ghuspaitiye. At the same time, we've seen also opposition targeting the Prime Minister and the CAA in terms of why the Rohingya Muslims and the Ahmadiyas from Pakistan have not been included.
This question has been repeatedly asked of the Home Minister also in the current election season, that if you are caring about persecuted people in our neighborhood, why are you leaving out Ahmadiyas from Pakistan, because they are persecuted as well? So the answer to that is that Ahmadiyas are a sect. Within the Islamic religion, Ahmadiyas are a sect, and we are only looking at religious persecuted minorities because they are followers of Islam. Therefore, they will not fall in this category. Talking about how this is going to play out electorally, I just pointed out to you that Arvind Kejriwal made a huge issue when citizenship amendment rules were framed, saying now Delhiites, you should be wary because your jobs will be taken away. Government has clarified that these people have already been living in Delhi before 2014 because that's the cut-off date. If they have not taken away any jobs, any resources so far, there is nothing to worry.
All right, many thanks to you, Arunima, for bringing in all those inputs on this big breaking story. It is a giant leap as far as the Citizenship Amendment Act is concerned. Trust more developments to happen in the coming months.